Staying relevant is critical in this extremely competitive and fast changing world. Staying up to date can help you become more dynamic and market ready. Companies like Pacific Electric, Kodak, WorldCom, and recently Silicon Valley Bank are some of the biggest companies that went down, right? There could be thousands of other, maybe lesser known companies in every part of the world that were once great, but then disappeared permanently, wiping off a lot of wealth for their investors and employees and the other stakeholders. And one of the most common reasons for such disappearing acts is they lost relevancy. So important. They became irrelevant, and then anything they did to keep them afloat didn't matter. A report by McKinsey concluded that both entrepreneurs and professional leaders alike have consistently emphasized the single most important thing to achieve and sustain market leadership is relevance, both corporate and more importantly at the top leadership levels. You can become irrelevant in three primary areas. Number one, job skills. This is the most common area of going out of relevancy. Gone are the days when you become an expert in a skill and then use that skill throughout your life. Your skills of today won't even serve you for the next 5 years, considering all the advancements that's happening in the world. Area number two is industry becoming irrelevant. Entire industries are getting disrupted in big ways, and it's just a matter of time that your industry also joins the same league. You just look around. Every damn thing has changed during the last 5, 10 or 15 years, isn't it? Some are gone, some are, they have reinvented themselves, and many are stagnant actually. And number three, becoming irrelevant at a personal level. Every cell in our body gets discarded and new cells are replaced, let's say around 120 days on an average. Well, in a way, you are a new you, like every quarter. So self-mastery is no different. If you want to be still relevant in the next decade, you must look at self-improvement and continuous development. Successful people continue to stay relevant by building, developing, and exerting a positive influence on other people. And influence is not obtained overnight. It's an ongoing effort that includes connecting with people at deeper levels and motivating and inspiring them to willingly follow your leadership. And building your own fan following or tribe is critical to staying relevant in the next decade. And if there's one thing people need, it's hope and help. When you share your knowledge, experiences, what you have been through, what you have learned, or what you have overcome, you become the voice of hope and help. The number one strategy for staying relevant and continuing to grow and thrive is writing your own book. At Stardom, we don't just publish books, we help first-time authors figure out all these important steps, including helping them choose the perfect topic for their books. And of course, we have a support system to create, edit, publish, market, and distribute your books as well. So head over to stardombooks.com and you could be the next big phenomenon in your industry.